TWIN BUSCH, Germany, your competent partner for lifting platforms and vehicle garage equipment with 12 branches in 7 countries. The TWS3-18UE-G is an electro-hydraulic scissor lift from TWIN BUSCH with a lifting capacity of 3 tons, a lifting height of 1.8 meters, and extendable vehicle supports. Let's take a look at the lifting platform in practice. As the lifting platform can be completely lowered into the ground, it is easy to drive over with other equipment. Hi, I'm Chrissy, and today I'm going to show you the TWS3-18UE underfloor scissor lift. The TWS3-18UE-G is an in-ground mounted scissor lift from TWIN BUSCH with electromagnetic release of the safety catches, meaning that no compressed air is required. We begin our practical demonstration by supporting the vehicle, starting by positioning the optional TWS3-GK40 rubber blocks. The rubber blocks TWS3-18UE-G are included in the scope of delivery. We now switch on the lifting platform and move upwards in small increments using the UP button. We then pull out the carriageway extension and position further rubber blocks on the rear side of the carriageway. Now we can raise the lifting platform to its highest position. The rocker arm system ensures efficient lifting. The stable and maintenance-friendly design can reliably lift vehicles weighing up to 3 tons. Maximum safety is ensured by the synchronization protection system, which uses a light barrier to continuously monitor the synchronization of the tracks during lifting and lowering. After raising the lifting platform completely, we lower it into the safety catch using the lock button. All important bearings can be lubricated directly from the outside via grease nipples. The lifting platform has a lifting height of up to 1.8 meters, allowing you to work freely underneath the vehicle. From small cars, sports cars, small vans, and off-road vehicles, the TWS3-18UE-G can lift a wide range of vehicle types. The extendable ramps can be pulled out as far as necessary to lift longer vehicles. The extensions increase the recording surface from 155 to up to 195 centimeters. Visit us in one of our branches. With 12 branches in 7 countries also in your area. We offer advice and product demonstrations in our showrooms, as well as sales and technical service on-site with our service fleet. Warehouse logistics with large stock of products available for an immediate delivery. Spare parts and repair service assembly videos with step-by-step instructions, as well as constant new and further developments of our products. Everything from a single source, from lifts to tire changes and tire balances. Awarded 9 times as the best brand. TWIN BUSCH, Germany, your competent automotive garage supplier.